Excuse me, are you Englishman? No, I am American. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 26 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. How long have you been here? About 2 years. How many children do you have? I have three children, two girls and one boy. How many languages do you speak? I speak two languages. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am also fine. Would you like to have coffee? No thanks. I like tea. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Do you need a few minutes? I think we are ready. Anything else? Nothing else. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.